This is Kajal conducting today's assembly on behalf of grade 6A and B. Today's assembly is held to mark the Global Day of Parents and World Environment Day. Let's begin this day I request Tanya to lead us in prayer.
Join your hands, close your eyes, and get ready for the prayer. Dear God, you are the giver of all wisdom. Grant us today your peace and grace. Make us obedient children to do what is right. Give us the spirit of excellence in all that we do. Thank you for our parents, family, teachers, and friends. Keep us safe from all harm and danger. Amen.
Thank you, Tanya. It's time to hear the thought from Shaurya.
Good morning, everybody. The thought for today is a father's goodness is higher than the mountain, a mother's goodness deeper than the sea. I repeat my thought a father's goodness is higher than the mountains, a mother's goodness deeper than the sea. Thank you.
Thank you, Shaurya. Now, I invite Jia to give a speech on the importance of parents in our life.
Thank you, Kajal. Today I'm going to speak on importance of parents in our lives. It is no secret that being a parent is one of the most challenging roles in the world. From doing research on various parenting styles to trying out different parenting hacks, parents always go above and beyond to make sure they raise happy and successful children. But no matter what, the style they choose to use at the end of the day, it still boils down to the kind of relationship every parent has with their children. The stronger the parent child relationship, the better the upbringing. A secure attachment with parents' help can promote a child's cognitive, emotional, and social development. It also helps kids exhibit positive social behaviors. The healthy involvement of parents in their children's day-to-day life help ensure that their kid can perform better socially and academically. Thank you.
Thank you, Jia. You are right. We must be eternally grateful towards our parents. Now, I invite Anand to recite a short poem in Hindi.
धन्यवाद पापा। माँ की ममता, पापा का प्यार। घर मेरा एक बरगद है, मेरे पापा जिसके चरण घनी छायो है मेरी माँ, यही है मेरे आसमां। पापा का है प्यार अनोखा, जैसे शीतल हवा का झोंका। माँ की ममता सबसे प्यारी, सबसे सुंदर, सबसे न्यारी। हाथ पकड़ चलना सिखलाते पापा हमको खूब घुमाते। माँ मलहम बनकर लग जाती जब भी हमको चोट सताती। माँ पापा बिन दुनिया सुनी जैसे लगती आग की दुनिया। माँ ममता की धरा है, पिता जीने का सहारा है। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Anand. Now, I request Anurag sir to share the video presentation.
ये तो सच है कि भगवान है मगर फिर भी अनजान है। ये तो सच है कि भगवान है मगर फिर भी अनजान है। धरती पे रूप माँ बाप का उस विधाता की पहचान है। जन्मदाता है जो नाम जिनसे मिला, थाम कर जिनकी उंगली है बचपन चला। कांधे पर बैठ के जिनके देखा जहां, ज्ञान जिनसे मिला क्या बुरा क्या भला। इतने उपकार है क्या कहे, ये बताना ना आसान है। धरती पे रूप माँ बाप का उस विधाता की पहचान है। ये तो सच है कि भगवान है।
Thank you, sir. Tomorrow is World Environment Day. Hence, now I invite Mayank to speak on the importance of World Environment Day.
Thank you, Kajal. World Environment Day. World Environment Day, which is also known as Eco Day and Environment Day, is observed on 5th June every year to lay emphasis on the role of environment and providing essential infrastructure that supports life on Earth and human development. The World Environment Day was established by the UN General Assembly in 1972 on the first day of Stockholm Conference on the human environment resulting from discussions of interactions and of human integration and interactions and the environment. 2 years later, in 1974, the first Eco Day was held with the theme Only One Earth. The theme for Environment Day 2021 is Ecosystem Restoration, and Pakistan will be global host of the big day. This day will also see the launch of UN Decade on Ecosystem Restoration. Let's watch the video of our planet and the feeling of Mother Earth. Thank you.
The world always looked up to me for my strength of purity, for the peace that prevails in me, and for the fertile greens I walk on. I am the mother that sustains millions. But sometimes my children fail me. And now I need some saviors to heal, to fight, to cleanse.
Thank you, Mayank.
What I can do. Before consuming anything, think twice whether it is necessary. Use only judicious amounts of natural resources. Wherever possible, reduce the use. Avoid wastage. Completely avoid one-time usage items. Before leaving a room, switch off the fans and lights. Attend the pipe leaks immediately. Do not waste food. Avoid using plastic bags. Use public transport systems. Plant more number of trees and take care of them.
Now we have a poster compilation and dance performance from the student of grade 6A and B.
काला काला आसमां है बादल भी मैला है घुटता है दम यहाँ जो धुआं धुआं फैला है काला काला आसमां है बादल भी मैला है घुटता है दम यहाँ जो धुआं धुआं फैला है फैक्ट्री हो केमिकल हो चूल्हा हो या कार हो पोल्यूशन की मार से बच्चे क्यों बीमार हो
एक दिया बाती हजारों रोशनी घुल घुल जाए हवा में रानी।
एक दिया बाती हजारों रोशनी घुल घुल जाए हवा में चाशनी है सेवा का जुनून क्या छोटा क्या बड़ा कुछ कर गुजरने का फितूर जब चढ़ा तूने है सिखाया धूप में है छाया एक सोच है जागी जागी धरती के लिए एक जोत है जागी जागी प्रकृति के लिए ओ हाँ ओ
Thank you, friends. Now I request Principal Sir to address the assembly.
Thank you, and a very well presented assembly, especially the message, the end part of it. I know all of you all would be missing the campus and the way the campus was presented in this assembly. Well done. Now, as students, we what's our role? There was a slide that what is that I can do? Fine, we all are aware of pollution, global warming, but as students, what is that you can do to contribute?
So we can plant trees.
Yes, so planting trees is one. You plant trees and then you forget about them, and then another year, next year, one more round of tree plantation, and we are least bothered what happens to them after that. So can we identify one area and then take a pledge that for a year we will make sure that we protect the environment by taking care of one particular area that we have taken pledge for? And I think the one area that we can seriously contribute and which is a serious threat to the environment, that is plastics. So can we take a pledge that we will not be using plastic poly bags in the house? We will purchase a jute bag, keep 2 3 jute bags in the house, so that when parents or when you or any of the family member moves out to buy vegetables or to buy groceries, we will be bringing it back. We'll be putting all of that in that jute bag and bring it back to the house. We will not bring anything in plastic bag. My house will be plastic free house. Can we do
Correct,
that?
Sachin. When we use plastic things and when we throw it in the ocean, the the pollution of the plastic will kill all of the seabirds, turtles, and all the marine mammals.
Right. We are drinking plastic. Do you know that?
Yes, sir.
We throw bottles, polybags, toothpaste caps, the toothpaste that we use, that comes in a no, that the cap is of plastic, and these are non-degradable. We throw them, and then during monsoon, that plastic from the sewer moves to the rivers, and then the river water is filtered and is pumped back to our houses, and we drink the same filtered water, and that water contains microplastic. The plastic that's there in the river, fishes eat them, and then that fish comes to the market, we buy those fishes, and that enters our house and we eat them.
Hey,
Right? So it's a cycle. We throw it to the nature and nature gives it back to us, and that's one of the major reasons for increase of cancer patient in the country or in the world. We all are drinking microplastic. If we take pledge and first start from our own house, number one, we will not be buying coke, cold drink, we will not buy packed water, we will not be buying polybags, we will not bring anything from market in polybags. If we can do these small things, this this will help us contribute in protecting the environment.